welcome to the Valley Soaps YouTube channel. I'm so excited I get to come in and film an intro to our soap making video today, and I am wearing a brand new shirt. We finally got to make use of it today at the first farmers market. We're back in the swing of things, slowly but surely with everything going on. So anyways, real quick before we get to this really awesome soap making video, which the soap smells absolutely wonderful, I just wanted to hop on and wish you guys a very happy and safe holiday weekend. Happy 4th of July to all of you guys out there. I know that we're gonna have some friends come out and we're gonna do some really awesome American things. Yeah, I'm so proud to live where we do and have the freedoms that we have. So I just wanted to just come on and say hey. So without further ado, we're gonna get to making some soap. Don't forget that today is release day. Yay! So don't forget about that as well. We have a huge release. I think we have about like 9 different soaps coming out today, so be sure to grab those because like I said, we're back in the farmers market, so things kind of go quick out there. So anyways, I think I've blabbed long enough, so I can't wait to show you guys today's creation. All right, bye. Okay, so very gently add this to that bowl right there.
Slowly.
And you can actually move over this way if you want some. Yep. And then I'm going to start mixing up our colorant.
I can feel the heat.
Yes, girl.
So why don't you mix the other two together before you add all this in?
Because those are the hard oils, and that lye solution, you're really supposed to be, when you make soap, everything is at room temperature. But I use the heat from the lye solution to melt that so I don't have to use a microwave. And then after those are all melted, then I add in the liquid oils, and then it brings that temperature down even more. Now it will cause the batter to thicken up a lot faster than if I was soaping at room temperature. So for some designs, you can't really do it that way, because if you want a very fluid or liquid batter and need time to work on your design, then you would just warm up the hard oils a different way, bring the lye solution temperature down before adding it to the oil. Okay. So we'll bring this back over here, and I'll let you add the liquid oils.
Is that mix good enough?
If you want to grab the olive oil and come around this way. So yeah, so if you just want to scrape off the spatula, set it aside, because then I'm going to blend it. don't move around the soap I put in the little spots down there. Because if I just go to pour it in there, this soap will displace that soap and it won't stay in the lines.